making the cake. So we're gonna teach you how to make a cake. We're gonna teach you how to make a cake. So you go. That's how you go. Go! Go! Let's go! Just smelling funny. It's really fun. Today, guys, we're gonna make a really cool cake. And it's gonna get sweeties in it. You got eyes. You got close knife and open knife. And that's us. Look at Seth. No, it's like Seth. Look at Seth. I want to see your eye. Open your eye. See. No, you. I want to see first. What's your name today, Logan? Chef Logan. Say it to me. What's your name today, is that? I ran to tree and get pasta. What's that noise? Today, guys, we're going to make a really cool cake. And we're going to teach you how to do it today. But we need to put sweeties in it. And this. But that's chocolate's one. And there's more there. This is what you need. No, you can't do what you make for the cake. You can't do it. I'm going to do it first. Stop passing this order then, you know. No. Yes, he is. He's a boy. And he's the boy like me. Peyton is a girl. And it's not boy. You need some cough syrup. Some flour. Baking powder. Yeah, baking powder. Some icing. Some butter. Some butter. No. What's that? Candles 1,007. Eggs. There. One. Put it there. 2, 3. My turn. You had a turn. Just all count it together. You're gonna cheat as well. Okay. 1, 3. We got 3. And we haven't got 4 today. Later we're gonna get 4. Mama needs to make eggs. Start making the cake. We can. What's the hands? And the soap. And we need to do this. Yeah. Right. Need to do this. We can go quickly. Now we'll be right back.
A few moments later.
We're going to put the flour in now. And put the flour in now. Yeah. This is sugar. This is the X. Ooh. You see the X, look. I don't think so. Do you like the X? Yeah. Do you see the X in that? That's the butter. Hold on. There's big butter and little butter. Ooh. What's in there? B. Done. Done. One thing. It's baking powder. Like, can I put it on it? Maybe. Mix it. Mommy makes it. Mix it. Now we need to mix it. We mix in the orange bits. But we need to cut this big butter, man. It's so big. We need to cut it. Cut it on down. And then it turns like sweeties. Good. I'm doing one this and this. Like that. But Mum, the fill. And the fill. It's okay. Mum, I want to leave it. We want to leave it. Bashed. Flour. This guy doesn't stop. I'm gonna get a present. That means I have a present. Yeah, we're having a present. I love to move it. 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 I love to eat it. Okay. No. Yeah, okay. Okay, I will eat it. I want to try. Eat it. Oh guys, we're gonna put it in the oven today. And this children, it's my best friend. It's raining outside. Okay. Yes. I'm Isaiah. I'm Logan. I'm Red Logan. And you do Isaiah. Isaiah. Logan. Yeah. How are you? Good. Mama. Here. Mom, toy.
Hello guys. Hi. Make sure you use the adult to help you put the cake in the oven. Bye.
Wow. Azai. My name is Logan. My name is Azai. I'm coming to house. Yeah, and we're going to the zoo. Goodbye. And we're going to the zoo and the park. Yeah, and the go home. Goodbye. No, we're going to the park. I thought you were staying. Run and the ball and catch the ball and up in the pool and home. We're going it's out in the oven. Now we're going to put icing in. Here's it. Cake and out in the oven. Now put ice. And yeah. Whoa, is I? You need to put rocks. Is that after I can have a go? Yeah. Wow. Oh. Now we're just flattening the cake and need sweeties. Look at that, what am I doing? What? Look at that! It's taking time! I got more on my top. Don't put all of it, bother. Don't bother this. That's not fair. You eating this. Look, so big. Download and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Bye. If you want to see new videos. Yes, bye. Thank you for watching.